Here's a problem we all come up against: drawing straight lines without a ruler. Now here's a picture I'm drawing of a train steaming through the night. It needs a bridge to get from here to here. So I've got to draw a bridge with lots of straight bits of metal and steel, and of course lots of straight lines without a ruler. Freehand. Ugh. And how am I going to do it? Bit by bit. Instead of drawing one long straight line and messing it up, I'm going to create a long straight line using lots of little lines. Watch this. The idea is to just draw your line bit by bit using little lines. And just carefully draw a short line and then extend it a bit and just keep pushing it out further and further. See that? As it goes there and there. And then just every now and then, just stop and check it just to see if it's all right. And then, yeah, on we go. Extend it a little bit more. And there. Now I'm using pen for this. You can use pencil if you want, just to get it right first time. And just keep extending it and checking to see if it's going in the right direction. And when you're happy with it, just go over it again lightly. And there it is, a long straight line made up of lots of little lines, all drawn freehand. And then I can put my bridge in. And with a bit of practice, you'll be drawing almost any straight line freehand without a ruler, just by doing these little lines and extending them bit by bit. And you can use the same technique for shorter straight lines, but I prefer to do them really quickly and they look pretty straight. Watch this, it's a slightly different technique. A quick flick of the wrist. There you have a straight line. And again, and again, and again, and again. And again, I'm just going to fatten them up. And for the top bit of the bridge, I'm just going to mix and match those two techniques. So bit by bit straight line there, and then quick flicks here. Bit by bit, and some quick flicks. And again, fatten them up. And there it is, and not a ruler in sight. Try it yourself. Draw long straight lines without a ruler by starting with a short line and extending it bit by bit.